Why is almost every electronic board in green color? Your laptop, motherboard, calculator, and even many satellites and industrial machines use green circuit boards. The green color actually has almost nothing to do with electricity. So why did the entire electronics industry choose green? And why are some companies now switching to black, red, or even white boards? Today we are uncovering the hidden reason behind one of the most common colors in technology. Let's find out. That green coating is called a solder mask. It is a protective layer added on top of the copper circuits, and it has several important jobs. It protects the copper from moisture, dust, corrosion, and accidental electrical contact. Without this layer, the delicate copper lines could easily get damaged or short-circuit. You can think of it like a protective skin for the board. But here's the big question. If it's just protection, why green color? Why not blue or black? Well, the answer goes back decades. So, why green color became the standard? Back in the early days of electronics manufacturing, workers had to inspect PCBs manually under bright lights. And engineers discovered something interesting. Green was the easiest color for human eyes to work with for long periods. It created excellent contrast with white printed labels, shiny silver solder, and metallic copper lines. That made tiny mistakes easier to spot. And when you are dealing with microscopic circuits, even a tiny manufacturing error can destroy an entire device. Green also reduced eye strain compared to brighter colors like red or yellow. So factories started using green solder masks more often. Then something else happened. Once large manufacturers standardized their machines and materials for green boards, it became cheaper and easier to keep using the same color. Eventually, green became the default color across the electronics industry. And even today, many factories still prefer it because it works so well. Modern PCBs can come in black, blue, red, white, and even transparent designs. Gaming motherboards often use black PCBs because they look more premium. Some brands use custom colors for style and branding. But different colors also have disadvantages. For example, black PCBs can make tiny circuits harder to see. Red and yellow can cause more eye strain for workers. So despite all the fancy options, green still remains one of the most practical and efficient choices. Here's a crazy fact. Some military and aerospace electronics still heavily rely on green PCBs because engineers trust them for reliability and easier inspection. Sometimes technology doesn't choose something because it looks cool. It chooses it because it works best. So the next time you open a computer or see a motherboard, you'll know that the green color isn't random at all. It's the result of decades of engineering, manufacturing, human psychology, and practical design. A simple color choice that quietly became one of the biggest standards in modern technology. And honestly, most people use electronics every single day without ever noticing it.